discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Ford Mustang. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, heated and ventilated seats, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.